Prior to using its own self-managed Redis infrastructure, Unity Ads, a mobile advertising company, was looking for a solution that would lower maintenance costs and scale better for a range of use cases. MSI introduces the MS-CF16 Pico-ITX SBC, a wide temperature range SBC for severe uses. The MS-CF16 is a good fit for edge computing devices and Internet of Things gateways because of its strong processing capabilities and flexible connections. A lightweight laptop with several I/O connections, the MSI Modern series is suitable for daily usage. MSI Modern is great for students on the run or anybody who needs a dependable laptop for regular work. The Google Threat Intelligence Group, which is made up of Mandiant and Google's Threat Analysis Group, discovered UNC 5812. A suspected Russian hybrid espionage and influence campaign that used the Telegram persona, Civil Defense, to distribute malware for Windows and Android. The new Apple iMac with M4, enhanced by Apple Intelligence and offered in new colors, is unveiled by Apple. The greatest all-in-one desktop in the world has a 12-megapixel center stage camera, Thunderbolt 4 connection, a nano-texture display option, and even more performance in an incredibly small design. The amount of time the GPU is active, or its duty cycle, is represented by GPU utilization. GPU utilization is a measure that is comparable to GPUs. The GPU duty cycle, or the duration of the GPU's activity, is represented by GPU utilization. Mobile point-of-sale POS devices, tabletop payment systems, and automatic identification and data capture (AIDC) systems are essential tools for contemporary merchants in the quickly changing retail scene of today. They assist to manage inventory, expedite operations, and improve the customer experience. For more such content, subscribe to our channel.